Wow, very smiling naman ang kid na ito. Can you tell them your name? Adi? Oh, how old is Adi? 4. Oh, you're 4. Can you hold the mic? Hold the mic. Okay. Adi, who's with you today? Sino kasama mo? Sa inyo kauban? Si Mami? Daddy? Ay, si Mami. Are you gonna sing or dance? Dance? Utong ito dance. Kinsa nagtudlo sa imo mag-dance? Si Mami? Si Mami din, ah? I bet Mommy is a good dancer, no? Are you ready to dance? Yeah. We told the judges, I'm ready. I'm ready. She is ready. Let's give it up for Aki.
Your Honor, hindi ko po alam. Your Honor, hindi ko na po alam. Your Honor, hindi ko 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 po alam.